We're already a few weeks into summer, but it's not too late to add some season-fitting products to your online store. In fact, now is the best time to stock up on items that are sure to sell well as the weather gets hotter. And if you've been racking your brain trying to come up with ideas, we've got you covered. Here's your guide to hot-selling products you can sell on your online merch store. What's summer without a trip to the beach? If you want to make sure that your customers are prepared for a day in the sun, consider stocking up on some beach essentials. After a long day in the sun, your customers are going to want a place to lie down and relax. And beach towels are the perfect summer merch item to do just that. And not to mention, they're also great for drying off after a dip in the pool or the ocean. There are different kinds and sizes of beach towels available, and you can design or customize them all to fit your brand. For example, aside from using your logo, you can also use fun and trendy designs or use witty summer-related lines like "Sun's out, buns out" or "Life's a beach." During outings, it can be difficult to keep track of all of your items, but with a stylish and spacious tote bag, your customers can easily store all of their summer essentials in one place. You can find tote bags in a variety of styles and sizes. And just like the beach towel, you can get creative with the design and use it as an opportunity to show off your brand's personality. For example, you can show off your own digitally created artwork or use fun summery patterns. You can also use vibrant colors to make your tote bag stand out. Summer is the perfect time to show off a little skin, so make sure that your customers have the perfect summer outfit ready. Whether they're going to the beach or they simply want some light and airy clothing to beat the heat, here are some summer clothing items that you can add to your store. Of course, one of the first things that comes to mind when thinking about summer are swimsuits. And whether your customers are going on a tropical vacation or simply taking a trip to the pool, they're going to need their swimsuits. You can sell everything from one-piece swimsuits to bikinis and even swimming trunks for men. And to make your swimwear really stand out, you can add unique designs or little personal touches like monograms. Crop tees have been all the rage in fashion lately, and for good reason. Not only are they stylish and comfortable, but they can also be easily dressed up or down. This makes them great for a day at the beach or a casual night out. To make sure your crop tees are on trend, you can design them with vintage text, summery prints, or tie-dye patterns. You can also use the name of popular summer go-to places in the US, like Miami or the Hamptons, for the text. Another great summer clothing item that both men and women can enjoy are tank tops. They're perfect for a hot day when you want to show off your gains or simply need a cool and comfy top. Tank tops are perfect for big text or bold designs. You can also use them to show off your brand's mascot or logo. And since they come in a variety of colors, you can also use them to experiment with different shades and hues. For men, one of the most essential summer clothing items is a great pair of shorts. They can be worn to the pool, to the beach, or simply to lounge around the house. And since they come in a variety of styles, you can find the perfect pair for your customers. As for the design, you can go with a subtle one like the logo of your brand on the lower left corner with a summer element, or you can go all out and embellish them with crazy patterns and designs. Summer isn't all about visiting the beach or going on road trips. It's also about taking some time off to relax and recharge. And while we all have our own way of doing that, there are some essential items that we all need to help us enjoy our break. For students and working professionals, summer break is the perfect time to declutter and redecorate their room. And you can help them do that with some great room decor items. You can sell things like custom tapestries, metal prints, curtains, hang posters, and even stylish pillow covers. You can sell them in bundles according to their designs. For example, you can sell a bundle with all floral prints or one with all solid colored items. Another activity that's perfect for summer is going on picnics. And while the food is important, you also need the right materials to make sure that the experience is perfect. You can sell things like tablecloths, napkins, placemats, wine racks, and even little bottles of hand sanitizer that your customers can take with them on their picnic. For the designs, you can go for the classic gingham or polka dot patterns and add in your logo. You can also print some cute vegetables, fruits, or even animals. Ready to design and sell some great summer products? Well, before you even start creating your designs, you need to get into the summer mindset. And this includes setting up your store's vibe and atmosphere. From your social media account's cover photos to the design of your landing pages, should make the look and feel of your store more summery. You can do this by adding summer elements to your logo or existing photos, or even creating new ones that encourage your visitors to get into the summer mood. If you want to connect better with your followers while also getting them in the summer mood, why not create a summer Spotify playlist that they can listen to? You can share this on your social media pages or even on your store's website. This is perfect for stores that cater to a younger audience who like sharing their Spotify finds with their friends. But if you have an older audience, you can still create a playlist with summer classics that they'll enjoy. The best way to release your products is by launching them as part of the summer collection. This will help you show off your merch in one go and create a cohesive look for your store. Plus, it'll be easier for customers to find what they're looking for. To build the anticipation, you can start by releasing teaser photos of your collection on social media. And when you finally release your collection, be sure to do it with a bang by giving away discounts and free shipping. The summer season is the perfect time to launch new products and capitalize on the warmer weather. And with the right strategy, you can make this your best-selling season yet. Just remember to create products that your customers will find difficult to resist, and make sure to market them properly. With these tips, plus your own magic, you'll be well on your way to boosting your sales this summer. As always, thank you so much for watching, and have a great summer. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and guides to get you started selling with awkward styles. Is there something that we haven't covered yet? Let us know in the comments below. See you next time.